Okay, so now we are going to start with the the HTML, CSS. Okay, we have done with almost all HTML, CSS. So I am going to be given assignment for you guys. Means that is a video recorded content, so you have to do accordingly. Okay, fine. So here what we are doing. Yesterday we have discussed about the okay. Yesterday we have discussed about the array. Just I will brief. Okay. So what is an array? The array is a similar set of a data. This is an interview question. What is an array? Means array is a similar set of a data which is going to what we can say like store the data. Let's say car is an array which is storing a different types of a car. If it is a person means like a cricketers. Let's say where cricketer Virat, Sehwag, Ganguly, Sachin. So we are going to be store the similar set of data. So that's why we are using array. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಡೇಟಾನ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರು ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎನ್ ಅರೇ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಜಾವಾ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಲು ಇದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು ಅರೇ ಅರೇ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ if you have a clear picture ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು throughout your programming you can deal ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ so variable ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is having a only one value so that is variable clear then variable car equals to name audi price six whatever the price model so this is the key this is the value this is the key this is the value okay so this is not a price in double quote okay this is model also not in double quote sorry. Okay, so this is the object. Why we need an object? See, this key value not changed, but its value is changed. So this is the car name. So again, this is the Audi is there, the BMW. The price is 6 lakhs, 6 crore or 7 crore or some model Audi Q7 or BMW V7, whatever the model. So this is called an object. When we have to say object, wherever the flower bracket came, so then it is called an object. Okay. The next is the array. What is an array? So array is going to store the similar set of a data. That's why we can say array. Okay. Console.log error. The car acting as an array. So now variable car array of object. So if I have a n number of object means then we can enclose with a square bracket. So that is the array of object. Okay. So then yesterday we have done many examples on different types of array, how to add an element, how to remove element. So everything we have discussed yesterday. Okay, so if you want to access the array, pop method is there. If you want to add means the push method. So we already done that, and we have done the looping an array. So how to push a pop means this is the length array. This is how to loop means why we need a loop. So if you have a thousand cars, so if you want to display means then you are going for the a loop. Okay, so that is called a looping. And you are want to push means what? You are going to be add a element to array. So this Rolls right, we are going to be add to the car array. Pop means what? It is going to be remove the element. Okay, so this is how we are going to be create the array. So then, so there are different array methods are we are going to be discussed here. So here it is our content, the arrays. Then we have a different types of a sorting. What is a sort? Sort. What is the name? Short. Sort means what? Like a display or something. What we can say? How we can say? So display are like a show the list. So sorting means what? Show the list. Okay. The first one is we are going to deal with the one by one. So first, I want to go with some of the array methods. So for that, I want to go here, the index 11.html and the doc, save it, close others, save it. So I will take this array only because I don't want to do one more time. Copy. So where to write a JavaScript? Inside a script tag. Script tab will ಬರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So car to the car ಅನ್ನೋದು array ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So now first we are going to be see the different types of array methods. Okay, save it. The first one is a length document dot write of car dot length bracket. Okay, so right click, open with a live server. Sorry. So it's not printing. What is the mistake? Car dot length. So if it is not displaying, how to debug or how to see? Right click, do inspect, and go for a console. Uncaught type for car dot length is not a function. Okay. So what is the problem? The car is an array, a length. Save it. We'll go here. See. Ivaga, it is displaying a 4. So if you want to see in the console, how to do? CLG means what? Console.log a car. Save it. We'll go here. See, this is the array. If they asked index 0, 1, 2, 3, but element means length means what? 4. Why 4? Here index is 3 means it is starting from the 0. ಇದು 0 ಇಂದ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0th ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿ ಇದೆ, 1th ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಫೆರಾರಿ, 2 ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಬೆಂಟ್ಲೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಸುಜುಕಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಈ ತರ ಅರೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅರೇ ಲೆಂತ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ದ ಓಕೆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ದ ಅರೇ. ಅರೇನ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ, ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್. ಓಕೆ, save it to, we'll go here, we'll run here. See, the length is there, Audi, Ferrari, Bentley, Suzuki. Okay, so ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅರೇ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಟೂ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಏನಿದು ಟೂ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಆ ಟೂ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್. ಇದು ಅರೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೂ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸೆಪರೇಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಮಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, one more method will come. So a JavaScript add. Okay, so that is a recently introduced that one. So add and ಏನು, first we'll understand the document dot write bracket. So what is the array? Car dot add ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್? ಇದು 0 ಲೊಕೇಶನ್, 1th ಲೊಕೇಶನ್, 2th ಲೊಕೇಶನ್, 3 ಲೊಕೇಶನ್. So total element is 4, index is 3. Why? Because it is starting from 0. So for the index 11, 3 index ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಇದು ಬೆಂಟ್ಲೆ ಯಾವ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗಬೇಕು? ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್ car at index 2, it has to be display. Save it. We'll go here. See. Okay. I will add a some. All the lines are coming in the same line. I will add a break here. The add function in array. Save it. We'll go here. The add function in array Bentley. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the car is an array, at is a method and index. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ ಅರೇದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ 0 1 2. ಸೊ 2 is the Bentley, so that is why it is printing a Bentley. So if you want to some space here, add a double equals to, save it, run it, a Bentley. So whatever I am mentioning inside a double quote, it will be treated as a string. It will not to concern about any logic. Logic effect agala. If you add a something XYZ, it will print like this also. Okay, so that's why I mentioned in the double quote. So that is the car at symbol. So sorry, at method. Okay, so next is what? A join method. Okay, so first we'll do the join method. Uh, Document dot write of br tag the array join method. Okay, the array join method. What is array join method? So for that, I will add a double equals to plus. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಜೊತೆ ಈ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಥ್ರೋ ಎನ್ ಎರರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಅ ಕಾರ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. You can join something comma or star or anything. Let's say star. See here, what is the error it is throwing? So constant car string expected comma or something like that. Okay, so or else you just use a plus symbol. Save it. So first we'll see the output. We'll go here. See, the car is an array. Join is a method. What it is joining? The star. Where it is joining? For the array. For every array element, it is adding the star. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ ಅರೇಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಈ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಆಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್, ಫೆರಾರಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ and all. Okay, so if you want a forward slash, save it, run it. See, if you want a pipe symbol, save it, run it. See here how it is happening. So that is called the what you can say like a join method. Okay, so yesterday we have discussed about the push and pop, and I will tell one more time. So push and pop, where it is happening? It is at the end. It is happening. Okay, first we'll go here. So document dot write of the array before pushing. Pushing ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಪುಷ್ ಆಫ್ which cars like Rolls Royce. ಈ ಕಾರ್ನ ನಾನು ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಪುಷ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಆಡ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ document dot write the array after pushing a car. ನನ್ನ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಅರೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಡಿ ಫೆರಾರಿ ಬೆಂಟ್ಲೆ ಸುಜುಕಿ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಕಾರ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಪುಷ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ರಾಯ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಆಡ್. ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಆಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸುಜುಕಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಸೇವ್ ಇಟ್. Okay, just I want to add here. I will just control X. First ಇದು ಕಾರ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಪುಷಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಪುಷ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ ಪುಷ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಪುಷಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನು, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಪುಷಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ದ ಅರೇ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಪುಷಿಂಗ್ Audi, Ferrari, Bentley, Suzuki ಇದೆ. The array after pushing the Audi, Ferrari, Bentley, Suzuki, Rolls Royce. ಅಂದ್ರೆ pushing element is happened the end of the array ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. So this is entry question. Okay. The next is what? Same. So just I will copy this whole thing. The array before pop. Pop means what? Remove. And I will use the pop method, and thereafter pop. Okay, document dot write the array before pop car and the array after pop car. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್. ಇದು ಪುಷ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಪಾಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಹಿಯರ್, the array before popping Audi, Ferrari, Bentley, Suzuki, Rolls Royce. Okay, after popping the array after pop Audi, Ferrari, Bentley, Suzuki, the Rolls Royce is pop. Okay, so now the question is, I don't want to push and pop at the end of the day, sorry, end of the array. I want to starting of the array. Okay, so how to do this one? So there is a methods are called a shift and unshift method. Okay. Okay. So what is a shift method? We'll go here. We'll add a document dot write. Sorry. I will add a some line here. Okay. So to differentiate, I will add a some lines here. So I will add a br tag. Means I want to differentiate between the strings, so that's why I added here. So the shift and unshift methods. So earlier we are doing pushing and popping a element the end of the array, but now we want to push and pop or add or remove from the initial index of array. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಮೊದಲು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ. ನೌ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. Document dot write of the array removing from front end. Okay, so plus then a car dot shift. Okay, and document dot write. So I have shifted the array after removing from the a front end only. Save it. So we'll add a break here. Okay. BR tag. Break ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಹೊಡೆದಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay. So the array removing from the front end is a front end. Before ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಆಡಿ ಫೆರಾರಿ ಮೆಂಟ್ಲೆ ಸುಜುಕಿ ಇದೆ. ದ ಅರೇ ರಿಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಡ್ ಅ ಸಮ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಅರೇ ಇರೋದೇನು, ಆಡಿ ಇದೆ, ಫೆರಾರಿ ಇದೆ, ಮೆಂಟ್ಲೆ ಇದೆ, ಸುಜುಕಿ ಇದೆ. ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ವಾಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ಕಾರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅರೇ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಫ್ರಂಟ್. Which is the front? RD. So RD is removed from here. Okay, directly the Ferrari, Bentley, Suzuki is there. Same thing, I want to copy the array adding from front end before adding the front end. So then if you want to add, what is the method? Unshift. Okay, so what you need to add? You need to add a car element. What car? You can add another car. What is the car name? Rolls Royce, Ferrari, Bentley, Tata car. You can add a Tata car. So where it is going to be added? Initial stage of the array. So shift method will remove the first element. Unshift method, it is going to be added to the first element. Okay, if you want to do in the last element, push and pop. If you want to push means it is going to be added here, and if you want to pop means it is going to be popped from here. See here, the array before adding the from the front end, Ferrari, Bentley, Suzuki. So after unshift method we added a Tata, so that's why it is coming at the front row. Okay, so this is called a shift and unshift method. Okay, so this is so then one more method will come, a delete method. What is a delete method? Okay, so I have an array. Okay, I have an array. I want to delete this array. So I will copy this one, paste here the array before delete. Okay, the car is array, so it is going to be display the array before deleting. Then I want to delete a array. Delete the car of which I want to delete this Bentley. So what I have to pass? I have to pass the index. What is the index of this one? 0. ಇದು 0 location ಇದೆ, 1 location 2. So here we have to see here first. Okay, just I will comment here. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ವಾ. ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಅರೇ ಏನಿದೆ, ಟಾಟಾ ಇದೆ, ಫೆರಾರಿ ಇದೆ, ಬೆಂಟ್ಲೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 0 1 2. ಸೊ delete of 2. Save or run it. See, Tata, Ferrari, Bentley is deleted. Why? Because we have called a delete method. So that's why it is going to be a display. Okay, so now one more method will come. So that is what you can say, concat. What is a concat? Adding the two array. So this is the car array is there. Then I want to make a one more array constant bike equals to bracket Aether, Ola, uh, Himalaya, and Bullet. So I have a bike array and a car array. So I want to make a one more array. Okay, that one more array. So that is called a vehicle. So for that constant vehicle equals to I want to club. How to club? So car dot concat of what is the array? The array is bike. ಅಂದ್ರೆ the car array ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. The car arrayದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ and a concat bike ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅರೇ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? ಇದು ನಂದು ಟಾಟಾ ಫೆರಾರಿ ಸುಜುಕಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅರೆ ಏನಿದೆ? ಬೈಕ್ ಅರೆ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಬೈಕ್ ಅರೆದಲ್ಲಿ ಓಲಾ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ ಅರೆ ಜೊತೆ ಈ ಬೈಕ್ ಅರೆ ಸೇರಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅರೆದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾರ್ ಅರೆದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕಾರ್ ಅರೇಸು, ಈ ಬೈಕ್ ಅರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಕಾರು ಅರೆ ಜೊತೆ ಬೈಕ್ ಅರೇನು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅರೇದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಸಾರಿ document dot write of the array adding with a car and the bikes is what is the vehicle? What is the array? This is the array. Save it, run it. See, the array adding a car. So first one is a Tata, Ferrari, Suzuki. So this is the car array. So we have added a Ather, Ola, Himalaya, Bullet. So this is called a concatenation of a array. Okay. So this is some of the array methods. We have so many other methods also. So that is important one. We are going to be added. The next is the splice method. The array splice method. Splice and a slice method. Okay. So what is the difference between a splice and a slice? Okay. So we are going to be add a somewhere like add a push and pop. Push and pop means it is happening after the end of the array. And shift and unshift method, it is happening the initial phase of an array. But I want to add some specific location. Okay, so how to do this one? Okay, the first one is the splice method. So just I will take up this method, control V. The first one is a slice, and one more method is a splice. Save it, we'll go here. The slice, and the splice method. Okay, the splice method can be used to add a new items to an array. The first one is a splice method. A constant. So vehicle ಗೆ ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನು? Sorry. Document dot write of bracket the array before splice method. What is my array? My array is plus vehicle. Save it. We'll go here. Okay. Index 11. What is the mistake we have done? Document dot write. Okay. Okay. Correct. Document dot write. It looks correct only. Yeah. Here I have mistake. Save it. Run it. Okay. The array before slice method Tata, Ferrari, Suzuki, or Ather, Ola, ಇದು. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to add a 1, 2, add 0, 1, 2. So 2, here you might see the some gap is there. Here there is a one gap is there. Here I want to add a one element. So it is at 0th location, 1th location, 2th location. For the 2th location, I want to add a car here. How to add uh, something called uh, vehicle dot, the method is a splice bracket, which location I need to add for the index 2. Okay, why index 2? The index 2 is the gap here. Okay, comma 0 comma, and I need to add my element. What is the element? I want to add one more course, something called a Swift. Save it. CLG. So not CLG. Document dot write. Okay, the array after splice method. Okay, splice method ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ I am going to be add swift ಕಾರ್ನ ನಾನು ಅರೇದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ with a specific index. Okay, okay, so here uh, a splice method ಅದು add ಆಗಿ it has to be show the error. The vehicle is not defined is there. Okay, it's getting an error. Why vehicle is not defined? Yeah, copy, Control V, save it. I will go here. See the location. Swift is added for the location. Tata earlier ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟಾಟಾ ಫೆರಾರಿ ಸುಜುಕಿ ಐಥರ್ ಓಲಾ ಹಿಮಾಲಯ ಬುಲೆಟ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಅರೇ. ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪಾಸ್ಡ್? ಸೊ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ 2 ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 0. ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಸೊ 0 1 2 and it is starting from the 0. Okay, so this is called a, a splice method of the what you can say array. So the splice and the next is a like splice is a something almost all we have done mango slice like but here we are going to be add from the specific index. So that is what we are going to be done. Okay, the next is a slice method. Okay, so how to slice method will works? So again, I will do vehicle vehicle dot slice. Okay, so what is a slice method? Again, it is going to be cut, but you can pass the index 2, or else you can pass the index 1. Then document dot write the after a slice method. Save it. We'll go here. Okay, the slice method. 1 minute. Vehicles, the array after. So we need to pass a one more array, a constant new array equals to save it. See here, Tata, Ferrari, Swift, Suzuki, Ather, Ola, Himalaya, Bullet. So here Tata is not there. We have a sliced. So what I will do, I will make a 4, save it, run it. So here what happens? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 here it is a gap is there. This is the 4 element is sliced. So here the slice method what it is going to be is do the slice it is going to be a cut number of the elements. So if you want to do from 1 to 5 you can pass like this. See 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, here what happened? It is going to be passed to the new array. So Tata, Ferrari, Swift, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, okay, we cannot pass like this. Okay. So just you understand the slice method. Even I am frankly telling we are not going for all those methods. So shift and unshift arrays we are oftenly using, and as push and pop. So this four inserting a array element at the front and the back end side. So if you know means it's more enough for the array section. Okay, so this is all about what you can say the array methods. So next, what it is there after the 1 minute, go to the here history.s and JavaScript. So the array methods is then a date. So what is the date? You might see the a date here. I will show here. Go to the console, date. So this is a Friday. Uh, this is a date. So what it is here in the sense, so if you want to print the different date formats, what is the different for date formats? Uh, DD, MM, YY, DD, MM, YYYY. So DD month and YYY, or else 4 times Y, DD month. So so this is how you are going to be pass the a date. So if you just go for this one, no, you will more enough. Okay. So just how to do in the sense, if you just go here, constant d equals to new date. So here CLG D. So D object is containing a 2 days. Go here, reload. See here, Friday, January, something like that. So after that, if you want to get the different methods. So get date, get day, get full year, get hours, get milliseconds, get minutes. So these are all the different methods are there. Okay, you can just have a what you can say get and set method. Okay, so these are all the so at least you have some of the so get date method. See this is the 5 get date. So if you want to month get minutes. Okay, so 44 minutes. So 10:44 minutes. So like that you have a different methods. get full year. So 2024. So this is how it is going to be. So different types of array, sorry, methods are there. Okay, so if you know this much means then it's more enough for your study. Okay, fine. So you just practice all the what you can say these methods, and you have some of the array search functionality. In the array you have a array sort and the search methods also there. Okay, you just have a look on this one. Okay, we already mentioned here. So what and all should be there. Okay, so for the date, if you have idea about constant D, new date. From the D, you can get a date, year, month, millisecond, seconds, full year, everything. Okay, so this is how you are going to do it. Okay, so this is all about. I think today is enough. So please do practice whatever I told. If you do practice, though, these are all the data structure type of